will show you how to integrate Firebase email and password authentication inside your Flutter app. So first just create your Flutter project. Okay, next once you create a Flutter project, okay, I'll show you the output first. So here you can see I have email and password field, and I'll enter some email and I'll enter some password, and if I click on sign up, I'll just go to the Firebase console, and here you can see that Firebase that particular user has been added to our Firebase console. And here you will have to click on logout. So I just clicked on logout, and if I try to log in, I was able to log in again. Also, if I completely do a hard refresh, or if I completely closed my app and reopen the app again, if you are logged in or signed up, your user state has been maintained, so you don't have to worry about it. Like state management is already taken care by Firebase. So once you log in, I will tell you how to, if you are already logged in or sign up, how to redirect to the next screen as well. So yeah, let's see about that. So let's get started. So firstly, for Firebase, what you will have to do is just click over here, and you will have to select Flutter, and make sure you install the Firebase CLI. So I'll just open this. We already have the Flutter SDK, right? So I am on macOS, but you can select whatever you are on. And here you can see they have provided multiple options. I am using npm because I already have nodejs installed. Okay, and you can just run this command. I think you might have to add sudo as well at the start, but just run this command. Firebase tools are installed. Then click on next, and then you will have to run this command. Once you run this command, it will get activated for your project. Then you will have to run this command. So this will differ for you depending on your project ID. Okay, but before running this, there are two important things which I want to tell you. First is you will have to do Firebase logout. So in case if you are like me, having multiple Gmail accounts, just do Firebase logout on your terminal. Okay, and once you do that, just do Firebase login again on your terminal, and select whatever Gmail ID you are using for creating this Firebase account for this Firebase project. So same Gmail ID you will have to use. Then you can run this command. Once you run this, then click on next, and ignore this for now. Okay, then click on continue to console. So we'll go over here, Flutterfire. I'll click on get started, because there are some steps missing in the Firebase console. So here next you will have to add this flutter pub add Firebase core. Okay, once you do that, so I think we have already run this. So in case if you are facing any issues, you can just run this again as well as run this again. Okay, once you do that, you should have this file being created, like Firebase options.dart. If you are seeing any issues, make sure you have ran this command. Okay, this one, flutter pub add Firebase core. Once you do that, for authentication, again I'll go to the docs, get started. For authentication, again you will have to run this command inside your terminal, and it will add that authentication library as well. Next you will have to add these two things, as well as you will have to add this ensure initialized makes this as async, and you will have to add this bit of code as well inside your main method. Next, over here all I have done is that I have taken a text editing controller over here, as well as over here for our text field, and one data variable as well. And here I was telling you, right, so inside init state I am checking if the user is not equal to null. So if the user is not equal to null, here you can write logic to redirect your redirect to the main screen or dashboard screen, whatever you have. Okay, because this else block will get called once you have successfully signed up or logged in as well. Next, inside dispose, I am just disposing our text editing controller, and inside sign up I am just calling Firebase all.instance.create user with email and password, pass the email text, password text, and once we get the credential, I'm just assigning it to our data variable, and in case of exception you can handle it however you feel like. Similar, it is exactly similar for login, only the method name will change, sign in with email and password, everything else remains the same. And for logout, you just have to call firebase all.instance.sign out, and here I'm just again changing the variable. And if you see my UI, I have just taken 2 text fields and assigned the respective controllers to it in 3 buttons, one for sign up, login and logout, and one text for only displaying whatever per action the user has performed. So if he has performed sign up, then I'm just displaying sign up user and showing the user's email. So yeah, that's it. Sorry, one more thing which I forgot to tell you, you need to enable the email authentication as well. So very first step is, you might have to go to this authentication tab. You will have to click, you won't see this users tab, you will see something like this, you might see something like this, and here you will have to click on email and password. Okay, and inside email and password, so you might see something like this. Make sure you enable this email/password toggle checkbox as well. Okay, we'll see about email link later on in the video, in future videos, sorry. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.